Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another weekly tech tip. Today's tech tip is about lead scoring in Zoho CRM. So the idea behind lead scoring is that we have lots of leads coming into our CRM all the time. So they might be coming in via a website or via some business cards, maybe we're adding them in manually. But what eventually happens is that we end up with lots of leads in the leads module in our CRM, and then we need to sort them because if our salesperson is going to call them or send them an email, it's important that they start with the most important leads first because their time is valuable. So the way we do that is via using lead scoring. So in the CRM they have a facility called scoring rules. So if we go to settings and then go to scoring rules, you'll see we can set these criteria up. Okay, so let's just have a look. We've got this set up for leads, so you can actually do it for contacts and for companies and potentials as well. Okay, and each line we add here is a different criteria. So this first line, we're saying if the tag is one of our ebook tags, then we add 5 points. So the way that works is when they come into our system from an ebook, they automatically get that tag. So when that happens, they get 5 points added to their score. Okay, and you can see the next one here is if they've visited our website for more than 2 days, they also get 5 points. And then you can see we've got lots more criteria. Okay, it's from various different fields there. So what that's we've put some sort of thought behind each of those, deciding whether they should add points or remove points. So one of the ones we remove points for here is if the email address bounces. Okay, we subtract 10 points because that's a good sign that they're not a legitimate lead. They might be a spammer coming through a contact form, something like that. But you can actually do it on all different types of fields here, on the campaigns, on calls, on the email insights. Okay, so if you've sent them multiple emails, every time they open one, they can get extra points as well. So that tells you how engaged they are. Okay, so all of these combine together on a lead to give a total score. Okay, so if we go back to our leads here, at the moment they haven't got a score. Okay, but once I've set up my scoring rules and I run them, then it automatically happens for every new lead that comes into the system. And as they progress over time, if they're visiting the website and that sort of thing, the scoring is automatically happening behind the scenes. Okay, so let's now add our score column so that we can see it here. Okay, so we'll turn on score, click save, and you can see now over here, okay, we've got this score with a number. Okay, so here's an example. This one's got a score of 94, so it's a very high score. So that person has been engaged. They've got the ebooks there, or the webinar tags, so they've been enjoying our content, and they've obviously also opened emails and viewed the website a number of times. So their score has gone up quite high. Whereas this one here has got a score of 0. Okay. So they haven't done any of those actions yet to improve their score. So what I can do now is with my view I can just sort. Okay, so let's sort from highest to lowest. Okay, so now if I was going to save this view, maybe give this view to the salesperson, and they can start with the highest quality leads there when they contact them. Okay, so that's just a quick overview on scoring rules and how they can help you inside Zoho CRM. Thanks for your time.